Hi, welcome to our innovation. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சேனல்ல 8th சயின்ஸ் யூனிட் 13 வாட்டர் லெசனோட புக் எவாலுவேஷன் பார்ட் 2 இந்த வீடியோல பார்க்க போறோம். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளார போலாம். Give reason பார்த்துட்டு question answer போய்க்கலாம். Roman letter 5 give reason. Alum is added to water in sedimentation tanks. Page number 146. A chemical substance such as potash alum is added to water to speed up the process of sedimentation. This process is called loading. The particles of potash alum combine with the suspended impurities and make them settle down at a faster rate. So mark it from here until end of this. Water is a universal solvent. Why? Page number 144. Water has a unique property to dissolve more substance than other solvents. It can dissolve solids such as salts and sugar, liquids such as honey and milk, and gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide in it. Therefore, it is called as universal solvent. So, mark it from here until end of this. Ice floats on water. Why? You have to write like this. Ice floats on water. Page number 141. Because, okay, ice floats on water னு questionல இருக்கிறது எடுத்து எழுதிட்டு because ice is lighter than water, it means that the density of ice is lower than that of water. Okay, you have to write up to this. Aquatic animals can breathe in water. Why? Page number 144. See, mark it from here until end of this. இங்கிருந்து இதுவரைக்கும் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Some changes நம்ம இதில் பண்ணணும். Air dissolved in water is important for the aquatic organism. Okay, இங்கே living organism எடுத்துட்டு aquaticனு change பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Aquatic organism to survive. Then here instead of fish, you had to change it as aquatic animals. Aquatic animals extracts the oxygen from the water and expels water. இது வரைக்கும் மட்டும் எழுதுங்க. Then they can survive in water only through the dissolved oxygen present in water. So here they had given about fish. Fish பற்றி இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. But generally we can, it is applicable for all the aquatic animals. So aquatic animalsனு change பண்ணி எழுதிக்காங்க. Here you need to change as aquatic animals and through the gillsங்கிறது எழுத வேண்டாம். Here instead of fish you change it as they. Okay. So இங்கிருந்து இது வரைக்கும் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Sea water is unfit for drinking. Page number 145. Every liter of sea water contains 35 grams of dissolved salts, most commonly known as sodium chloride, that is NaCl. So after இது வரைக்கும் மார்க் பண்ணிட்டு again you have to write, so it is not suitable for drinking and is said to be non-potable water. You have to write up to this. Okay, in the center point விட்டுருங்க. Hard water is not good for washing utensils. Hard water is not good for washing utensils because questionல இருக்கிறது எடுத்து எழுதிட்டு it damages the utensils and containers in which it is stored and forms a hard layer. Okay, you have to write this point. Okay, answer in brief. Name the gas evolved at cathode and anode when water is electrolyzed. State their ratio by volume. Here, what is the gas evolved? Hydrogen and oxygen gas evolved at cathode and anode when the water is electrolyzed. So, in the first ரெண்டும் எழுதி இது வரைக்கும் நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Then, state their ratio. So, இந்த questionக்கு answer நம்ம mark பண்ணிக்கலாம். Page number 140. The ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is 2:1. Hence, for every 2 volumes of hydrogen collected at the cathode, there is 1 volume of oxygen collected at the anode. இது வரைக்கும் நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. State the importance of dissolved oxygen and carbon dioxide in water. Page number 144. Air is dissolved in water is important for the living organism to survive. Fish extract the oxygen from the water and expels water through gills. Fish can survive in water only through the dissolved oxygen present in water. Now, aquatic plants make use of dissolved carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide dissolved in water reacts with limestone to form calcium bicarbonate. marine organisms such as snails, oyster, etc. extract calcium carbonate from calcium bicarbonate to build their shells. So mark it from here until end of this. இது ஃபுல்லாகவே நீங்கள் எழுதணும். What are the causes of temporary hardness and permanent hardness of water? Page number 147. Temporary hardness is due to the presence of carbonate and bicarbonate salts of calcium and magnesium. Then permanent hardness results due to the presence of chloride and sulfate salts of calcium and magnesium. இது வரைக்கும் எழுதிக்கங்க. Explain specific latent heat of vaporization of water. Page number 142. Latent heat of vaporization of water. Mark it from here until end of this. இதிலிருந்து இது வரைக்கும் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. What are the methods of removing hardness of water? Removal of hardness of water, boiling. So boiling க்கு இது வரைக்கும் எழுதுனீங்கன்னா போதும். Next adding washing soda here up to this you can mark it. Then ion exchange, mark it from here. இங்கிருந்து இது வரைக்கும் ion exchange க்கு எழுதணும். Distillation, mark it till end of this. இது வரைக்கும் எழுதணும். Okay. Roman letter 8, answer in detail. How is water purified at water purification plant? The purifications are sedimentation, fertilization and sterilization. Okay, so in the points in the paragraph full எழுதணும். You have to mark till end of this. This is the first detail. Mark it from here and till end of this. You can even write the important points. Okay. What is permanent hardness of water? How can it be removed? Page number 147. Removal of hardness. It is given here. இங்கிருந்து mark பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Till end of this. This is the second detail. Distillation வரைக்கும் இது வரைக்கும் mark பண்ணணும். This is second detail. What is electrolysis? Explain the electrolysis of water. Electrolysis of water. Here it is given. Mark it from here. இங்கிருந்து mark பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Till end of this. You have to mark till end of this. This is third detail. Explain the different ways by which water gets polluted. Page number 148. Sources of water pollution. Mark it from here. So இது ஃபுல்லாக நீங்கள் அப்படியே எழுதணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. Heading sources of water pollution heading போட்டு you can take what is pollutant எடுத்து எழுதிட்டு so about the pollution note பண்ணிட்டு we have to write different types of pollutions. Okay, household detergents இதிலிருந்து நீங்கள் important 2 or 3 points எடுத்து எழுதிக்கோங்க. Then next is domestic sewage, then domestic waste and plastics, agricultural activities, industrial waste and oil spills, thermal pollution. So up to this. So fourth detail is up to this. So over heading போட்டு அல்ல 2 or 3 points எடுத்து எழுதிக்கோங்க. Okay, that's it student. We had completed unit 13. part 2 வீடியோ ஃபுல்லாக கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டோம். ஸோ part 1 வீடியோ அப்லோட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். பிளேலிஸ்ட்டில் போய் செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஆர் இன்னோவேஷன் சேனலை இது வரைக்கும் நீங்கள் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாமல் இருந்தீங்கன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் அ வீடியோ. தேங்க்யூ. ஹாவ் அ நைஸ் டே.